Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I have for you two Dollar Tree DIYs, and they're also for the fall season that's coming up. And so without further ado, let's get to crafting. Okay, our first two projects is first painting these little square boxes that came with the drawers. I already took them out and painted them because with my bad arm I only have to use one arm and it took a while, so I figured y'all know how to paint. And then I took the sign here. You can take any sign as long as it's long and square. And I had to leave my jute rope with the ties on the outside, but I kind of like it like that. So I had to paint this one too. All you do is put on either one thick coat or two regular coats. And then you'll need your hot glue gun. And just put a fair amount of glue here. Let me get that glue down there. It didn't want to go down. Alright, and then get your other one and make sure you put it on even. And it'll look like that. I'm just making sure I painted all of them because I missed painting one, but I'm lucky it's a side. And put your fair amount of glue on this one too. Even it up. Just push down on it so it gets real tight and there's no gap. And now you want to set it up. Take you some of this, I think it's eucalyptus, these. It's in the fall, and I picked out 3 of the same kind. And what you want to do, I might be able to do it with it, yeah. Is bend the stem down, and then if it sticks out, bend it down even more. Do that to all 3 of them. See, I can use my hand to hold stuff. I just can't use it to do things with it or move from the elbow up because of the way the injury is. And if you want, you can put some of these some of these floral foam, cut it in half and put it down in there, and just cut the stems off and just stick them down in there. So there's really 2 ways you can do this. But it's not that hard to... Alright, now you see how they look. Now the next thing is, go ahead and just take them out. Put you some glue. Now make sure you even this up on both sides. And make sure it's straight going across. Okay, now push down. Now I have this Blessed from the Dollar Tree. It's this Blessed. They normally come in Blessed, Thankful, and Grateful. And we're going to center that and put it right there. And just straighten it out if you can. Now let's put our flowers back in. Let me find the stem here. And this is what it looks like. There's no point. I was going to put some stuff through here, but with the flowers covering it up, there wouldn't be any point. Now make sure you fluff these. Okay, and now we'll go on to the next one. Okay, our next project, you take one of these signs that they had for summer. It could be any of the signs that hang like this, and you get some sandpaper, sand the glitter off as much as you can. I had to get my husband earlier to sand it off because I tried and couldn't get it off using just one hand. And get you some paint. It can be any color for the background. Let's shake this up. You don't need a lot, and just nice even strokes. You just paint it, and I get a nice thick coat on it, and then it'll have to dry and put another coat on it. Okay, now I painted all three of the signs and let them dry. And now I picked these up at the Target dollar spot. These is Thankful and Grateful in the 3 different colors that you see here. The wood is on top, white and orange is on the bottom. And on the back it shows you an example of similar, the signs, they're similar, but on this it's straight on each side. But there's that one. And then there's this one. It has different pumpkins and gourds in it. And again, it shows you on the back how you can use them with the Thankful and Grateful signs. And then these are the wood. You can paint them or leave them as is. And it shows them being used with these other 2. And again, these were $1 each pack. So I'm going to use the one on the bottom. Well, I thought it could be ripped, but you're going to have to cut it. I'm just going to flip it over and lay them down here just to get an eye for what they're going to look like. Okay, there's that. Now I'm going to do the leaves. Can't believe it hurts my shoulder and arm just to barely hold something as light as this. And we're going to put one there. I think I'm going to go grateful, thankful like this. And I believe it doesn't show an example of them, so I just have to wing it. And then I believe I'm going to use some of the leaves down here. And then we're going to use, okay, that's the leaves. That's the grateful. We're going to use some of these pumpkins and gourds. Let's see what we have here first. Maybe put that one there, that one there, and then see what's in the middle section here. Turn this around so we can, oh, it's white, this one is, okay. And I'm thinking putting the big pumpkin there. Scoot the leaves over. Put a little pumpkin here. Let's see if this one has another little pumpkin. I think it does. Hopefully it's a green one. Well, no, it's the wood color. But let me see what else they have here. I could put a gourd here. And well, either way you look at it, there's going to be a wooden color in it, but I say put it right here, and that looks pretty good. And we'll get this gourd out and put the pumpkin back in. Now, these have, you peel them off the back. If I can get a hold of it. I'm just going to glue them. Now remember, I got these little packs at Target, the dollar spot, and they were just $1. Bear with me if I move slow. It hurts to use my arm. Just put a little bit of glue on each end and right on in the center. Even that out there. Make sure it's right in the center. Got that up too high. Push down on it. Just make sure they stay. And this one looks like it'll come off. And we do that all the way down. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. And all you have to do is just hang it up. I think it's adorable. Alright, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you liked it, click that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell next to it, and leave a comment. Alright, thank you all. I hope you have a happy day.